Canolfan
Hello and welcome to week 60 of Radio CAYB.
Yes, go on. Welcome to week 60 of Radio CAYB. Yes, go on.
Yeah,
We hope you enjoyed last week's show. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And we are back for week 60 of Radio CAYB. Who did we interview last week, go on?
Kedney.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed Saski's interview. Yes, go on.
Yeah,
And now we are back for more music and fun for your weekend. Don't we, go on?
Yeah.
So, we've got all your usual features, such as mystery song. What's the mystery song, go on?
5 different songs if I get it.
Yes, go on. And we also got there's no history this week, go on.
No.
Because Ushan's away on holiday this week, yes, go on.
Yes, Dion.
He's off to an auction centre in New York, yes, go on.
Yeah.
He'll be back with us on Monday, isn't he, go on?
Yeah, Dion.
And we got Lacey here with...
Hi.
We got Ethan, sorry, with Garge. And Lacey's coming up with the charts.
Hi. Got some excellent charts for you this week.
Well,
And this week's theme is rock. Soft rock.
we got news around the school. And we also got your sports news and our interview for this week, yes, go on.
Yeah.
Who are interviewing this week, go on.
Mr. T.
Not Mr. C, Mrs. C, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And Kate's pedal, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Okay, so what song we're going to start off this week, go on?
Everyone Hurt Me by Emma.
R.E.M. We're going to start off with Everybody Hurts by R.E.M. You're listening to Radio CAYB.
When your day is long and the night is yours alone. When you're sure you've had enough of this life, hang on. Don't let yourself go, 'cause everybody cries, and everybody hurts sometimes. Sometimes everything is wrong. It's time to sing along. When your day is night, hold on. If you feel like letting go, if you think you've had too much of this life, well, hang on. 'Cause everybody hurts. Take comfort in your friends. Everybody hurts. Don't throw your hand. sometimes. But everybody hurts sometimes. So hold on, hold on, hold on, hold
That was by
Miss Going.
Yeah.
Now we got your mystery song quiz for this week. Now, how are we going?
yeah,
What's the mystery song again, Norm?
5 different songs in 5 decades.
Yes, go on. It's 5 different songs from 5 different decades.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery boy. Mystery boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Song number 3 for this week.
Tight, 'cause you can make it right.
Song number 4 week.
Song number 5 this week. Hope you got all the songs of that.
Yes, go on. Hope we got all the songs correct on the mystery song this week. Yes, go on.
Yes, yeah.
We'll reveal the songs later on in the show. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And our next song here now is, go on.
Crackling Road by Neil Diamond.
Yes, the next song is Crackling Rosie by Neil Diamond. And then after this, what songs after this, go on?
Lean on Me by Phil.
Words. And then we'll have Ethan with Guards. Yes, go on.
Yes,
Stay
yeah.
tuned.
Ah, Crackling Rosie, get on board. We gonna ride till there ain't no more to go. Taking it slow. And Lord, don't you know, I'll have me a time with a poor man's lady, hitching on a twilight train. Ain't nothing here that I care to take along. Maybe a song to sing when I want. Don't need to say please to no man for a happy tune. Oh, I love my Rosie child. You got the way to make me happy. You and me, we go in style. Crackling Rose, you're store-bought woman, but you make me sing like a guitar humming. So hang on to me, girl, our song keeps running on. Play it now, play it now, play it now, my baby. Crackling Rose and make me smile. Girl, if it lasts for an hour, that's alright, 'cause we got all night to set the world right. Find us a dream that don't ask no questions, yeah. Oh, I love my Rosie child. You got the way to make me happy. You and me, we go in style. Crackling Rose, you're store-bought woman, but you make me sing like a guitar humming. So hang on to me, girl, our song keeps running on. now, play it now, my baby. Crackling rose and make me smile. Girl, if it lasts for an hour, well, that's alright, 'cause we got all night to set the world right. Find us a dream that don't ask no question. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, bye.
Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride if I have faith you need to borrow, for no one can fill those of your needs that you won't let show. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. If there is a load you have to bear that you can't carry, I'm right up the road. I'll share your load if you just call me. Call me if you need a friend. Call me, if you need a friend. If you ever need a friend, call me. 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 If you need a friend, call me. Call me. Call me.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan.
There's news yet again. Welcome to Preservation Periodical for May of 2026. There's a bit of a spoiler alert for the first one, as it's going to be patriotic for the semi-quincentennial. Starting off, Texas State Railroad number 30, a 282 Mikado type, is painted up in America to 50 colors. Nice way to celebrate the semi-quincentennial, and a nice throwback to Texas and Pacific 610 in its Freedom Train, guys. And I talk about the history of the 610, we'll be here all day. Second up, the New York Transit Museum in New York State has celebrated its 50th anniversary. And they plan something very unique. Don't know what it is. Thirdly, the Stone Mountain Scenic Railroad at Stone Mountain Park in Georgia is facing a closure. Now, before any of you panic, I would think volunteers would have to take the entire railroad from the Stone Mountain Park, and subsequently the National Park Service. Interestingly, the Stone Mountain Scenic had two engines. General 2 from the Red River and Gulf and was formerly numbered 104, and Texas 2, which was from the San Antonio and Andreas Pass Railroad. And then that became part of the Southern Pacific, of which 60 was renumbered to 260 before that engine was then sent to the Stone Mountain Railroad. Those two survive today. General 2 is currently at the Southeastern Railroad Museum, whereas Texas 2 is undergoing restoration for the Three Rivers Ramble. Anyway, moving on. Next up, the North Carolina Transport Museum in Spencer, North Carolina, receives Aberdeen and Rockford GP7. I don't know the number, but I do think it's going to be interesting, and it will be active on their main roster. And finally, the Reading and Northern plans the Bud RDC trips for June the 18th. Get your tickets before they've gone once, gone twice, sold. Moving on to Modern Railroading Spotlights, or MRS. First up, the Union Pacific said the revised UP-NS merger is on schedule. I think the Surface Transportation Board is going to give UP a good hard no. Because apparently that would be a monopoly. That would be one monopoly too many. Just can't even think of that song. I think that is going to be absolutely chaotic. Secondly, the Ohio Central, a company owned by Jensen Wyoming Incorporated, is paint number 2436, is painted in Operation Lifesaver livery. What a nice way just to get railroad safety on the margin. Complete with the Operation Lifesaver slogan, see tracks, think train. Read on it. Next up, Integral DX delivers an 1800 horsepower switcher for the US Air Force. In case you don't know, Integral DX is a rare, obscure Minnesota manufacturer, and they're in business. And they have delivered their third engine for the US Air Force. Wonder what more they could do for short lines. They just inherited just MP-15s. Anyway, as a bonus, Amtrak unveiled renders for the interiors of the infamous single-level cars to replace the superliners. I hope they're going to enter service soon. Next up is latest music charts, but before then, pretty much get the message for the Stone Mountain Railroad through and save the SMRR.
Thank you, Ethan, for the gauge. And now here are your charts. At number 10, we got Baby Doll by Dominic Fike. At number 9, we got Lush Life by Sarah Larson. At number 8, we got White Keys by Dominic Fike. At number 7, we got Homewrecker by Somber. At number 6, we got Fever Dream by Alex Warren. At number 5, we got Daisies by Justin Bieber. At number 4, we got Dracula by Tame Impala. I don't know where the genuine remix is. At number 3, we got Beauty and the Beat by Justin Bieber and Nicki Minaj. At number 2, we got Rain Me In by Sam Fender and Olivia Dean. And number 1, we got Drop Dead, 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 Dead by Olivia Rodrigo.
There's a message floating in the air, come from crazy horses riding everywhere. It's so warning, it's in every tongue. Got to stop them crazy horses on the run. What a show, there they go, smoking up the sky, yeah. Crazy horses, all got riders under you and I. Crazy horses. Crazy horses. Never stop and they never die. They just keep on pumping how they multiply. Crazy horses, will they never halt? If they keep on moving, then it's all our fault. What a show, there they go, smoking up the sky, yeah. Crazy horses, all got riders under you and So take a good look around, see what they've done, what they've done, they've done, they've done, they've done, they've done, they've done. Crazy horses. Crazy horses. Crazy horses. Crazy
Dwi angen coffi yn y bora I ddeffro llygu trwm Se gai goffi yn y bora Fy men i'n teimlo'n llwm Dwi'n disgyn allan o'n ngwely Roedd y teciad maen yn sydd Ac o pac a ffres o goffi A'r ogl yn un wych Whoa, a coffee di, I did a coffee di, me a coffee di, cause we should coffee di, I did a coffee di, me coffee di, cause we should coffee di, woo, whoa, Yn hedio trwy y drws A mwg o goffi yn fy llaw Mae rai fi yfad yn y car Dwi fod yn gwaith erbyn naw Mae coffi yn fy ngwaith Am fod y mwg yn dod i'w ben Mae o'n cylchredeg at yn hau Ac yn carlafiad fy mhen O coffi di, I did a coffee di, me coffee di, cause we should coffee di, I did a coffee di, me coffee di, cause we should coffee di, woo, whoa, Dwi'n eistedd wrth fy ngwaith Mae'r effaith yn lleihau Yn bryd cael coffi arall I gadw dysglyd fi ar bar Yn hedio lawr I gegin gem Rai bo' na goffi gen ai ffydd O'n ik die koffie neu ddau arall Cyn mi weld diwadd y dydd O, coffi du, a dyna coffi du Mi a coffi du, cos wi isio coffi du cryw Coffi du, dyna coffi du Mi a coffi du, cos wi isio coffi du cryw Coffi du, oh, Coffi du, Coffi dod I ben A dwi'n methu dod I law Dwi'n troi a throsi yn fy ngwely O tydi cysgu ddim yn haw Dwi'n gor'o deffro yn y bora Dwi'n gor'o mynd yn ôl i'n waith Yn diolch byth gynnau goffi I yfed ar y daith Wow, a coffi du, a dyna coffi du I mi Coffi du, cos dwi isio coffi du cryw Coffi du, a dyna coffi du I mi Coffi du, cos dwi isio coffi du cryw Coffi du, oh, Coffi du, Coffi du 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 Dyna coffi du, coffi du, coffi du Coffi du, coffi du, coffi du Dyna coffi du, coffi du, coffi du Cos dwi isio coffi du, coffi du, Dyna coffi du, coffi du, Cos dwi isio coffi du, coffi du, Dyna coffi du, mi a coffi du, Cos dwi isio coffi du, whoa
Stop. Can I do that, sir? Yeah, we're gonna have to count in though, because Gast's gonna have to redo his guitar. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So, in, da, chi, put it. Yeah. She's got a bunna. In, da, chi, down.
Like, beat the little step.
Yeah, cool. Just dodge it round there.
Yeah.
Cool.
News from around the school.
That one copied there by
Gwbl fan Fran, yes go on.
Yeah, damn.
That was for Miss Hughes and music, yes go on.
Yeah.
So now we're moving on to news around the school now for this week, how we're going.
Yeah.
So first of all, what do we have done? A TV company called Avanci, is it on?
Yeah.
Came in last Thursday, yes go on.
Yes, they are.
To record stuff for the Scaffold yes go on.
Yes, they are.
And that is coming soon in May, yes go on.
Yeah.
Which is on a Saturday, I think, is it on?
Yeah.
And we will be going there if you want to come along and see us, yes go on.
Yes, they are.
And also we got news just came in from King's Pedway as well, haven't they gone?
Yeah.
What are they been up to going?
They're red craft.
Yes, they came second in the Earth Craft, haven't they gone? And I'm sure that's for the other scaffold, isn't it on?
Yes, they are.
And we'd like to say huge congratulations to King's Pedway, that's gone.
Yeah.
And who else we have? Canolfan would like to congratulate the pupils of CAYB who would take part of the Other Scaffold dancing, drama and music last week, yes, gone.
Yeah.
It was fun, wasn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
What are you and the Other Scaffold, Dawn?
It's yeah.
Yeah, you're a chef, aren't you, Dawn?
Yeah.
And I'm a seagull, aren't I, gone?
Yeah.
With Osham, Max, Peter and Jack, yes, gone?
Yeah.
And Lacey. And we also got rugby this week, yes, gone?
Yeah.
With Jason, yes, gone?
Yeah.
And Don. That is from 3:15 till 4:15 if you want to come along, yes, gone?
Yeah.
And we also got the youth clubs as well, haven't we gone?
Yeah.
And that is one in Jesse Hughes, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
What time does that run for?
8:30 to 8:30.
Yes, go on. And there's also another youth club, I think, as well, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
And where's the other youth club, Don?
In the library.
Yes, go on. Okay, so there's all your news. But before we go, yes, go on. We've got the cafe this week, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
What are they cooking in the cafe this week, gone?
Lasagna and chicken curry.
Yes, there's lasagna and chicken curry, isn't it, on?
Yeah.
And yes, that's all we got for today, yes, gone?
Yeah, yeah.
And Oshan will be back next week for news on the school, yes, gone?
Yeah, yeah.
So, until then, we've got a bit of... Who have we got now, gone? The police, haven't we got?
Yeah, yeah.
What is the song?
Everything you take.
And then me and Dawn will be back after this with the leaderboard answers and mystery song answers for this week.
That was Every Take You Breath Take by Polly.
Yes, go on. That was the police with Every Breath You Take. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And now we got your mystery song answers now for this week, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
So what was our 6 key song for this week, gone?
Lou. Dyma.
And that's by Bobby Vincent. Let's go on. Blue Velvets. And our 70s song was Greased Lightning by John Travolta. Let's go on.
Yeah.
And what was our 80s song on?
Flame.
And that's by Irene Cara. Let's go on.
Yeah.
What was our 90s song on? I know this is a weird one, okay, but it's Carnival. And it's by Bellini. Sounds weird, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'm sure you wouldn't get that one on.
No.
And our naughty song was gone. Tarantula original mix by Pendulum, Tenderfly, MC Spade and DJ Fresh. Okay. So we hope you got the mystery songs correct. Yes, gone.
Yeah.
And now we are moving on to our leaderboard answers now for this week. Come on, we go.
Yeah.
So we're going to start off with 7 out of 15. This is our loser, sadly, for this week. Yes, gone.
Yeah.
And who got 7 out of 15 gone?
Miss Hughes.
Yeah, Miss Hughes got 7 out of 15. Better luck next time, Miss Gone.
Yeah.
We're moving on now to 8 out of 15. We got which class gone?
Canolfan and over.
No, and Canolfan Tree got 9 out of 15. Good job to them, Miss Gone.
Yeah.
Now moving on to... We're moving on to our next class here now, which is Canolfan Pedwar. Let's go.
Yeah.
And how many did I get?
10 out of 15.
Yes, I got 10 out of 15. Let's go.
Yeah.
And we got another 10 out of 15 here now.
Yeah.
And who's this got?
About Pim.
And they got 10 out of 15. Let's go.
Yeah.
Congratulations to all of you. We are now getting close to our winners now. What we're going?
Yeah.
But we're not there yet, no.
No.
Done. So, King Sky, how many good they got done?
11 out of 15.
Yes, 11 out of 15. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, we got found more here who have 11 out of 15 gone. So, who's this gone?
Kate 6.
King 6 got 11 out of 15. Canolfan South also got 11 out of 15. King Sky, Dwynwen, and King Sin got 11 out of 15. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So, congratulations to you guys for trying the picture quiz this week. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Now we are moving on to our joint winners. Now what we're going?
Yeah.
And who are our winners for this week gone?
Kate Hairpad
And
Canolfan.
Yes, congratulations to Canolfan and Kate Pedwar for winning the picture quiz this week. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
With a total score of done.
12 out of 15.
Yes, go on. 12 out of 15 for Canolfan and Kate Pedwar, who are our winners this week for the picture rounds. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So what's our next song here now, Don?
Rock at the Bay.
And this is by Otis Redding. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And then we'll have Peter with the sports updates.
Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and then I'll watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay, 'cause I've had nothing to live for, and look like nothing's gonna come my way. So I'm just gonna sit on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Look like nothing's gonna change, everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same.
twisting my bones, and this loneliness won't leave me alone. Listen, 2,000 miles I roam just to make this dock my home. Now I'm just gonna sit at the dock of a bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm sitting on the dock of a bay, wasting time.
Yes, go on. That was, I think that was Otis Redding. Yes, go on. That was Dock of the Bay. Yes, go on. Unfortunately, Peter can't make it for sports news this week. No, go on. He's busy working in a cafe. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Because they go to a cafe every Thursday, don't we? Yeah. So there's no sports news this week, unfortunately. Sports news will be back next week, hopefully. With Peter. Yes, go on. What's coming up now? No? And then after this we'll have Red Light Spells Danger, and then we'll have Mrs. T's interview for this week. Yes, go on.
It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. A regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet, and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. La 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 li li da, la la li li da, da da. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling alright. Now John at the bar is a friend of mine. Gets me my drinks for free, and he's quick with a joke or to light up your smoke, but there's some place that he'd rather be. He says, Bill, I believe this is killing me, as a smile ran away from his face. Well, I'm sure that I could be a movie star if I could get out of this place. Oh, la 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 di di da, la la di di da, da da. Now Paul is a real estate novelist who never had time for a wife, and he's talking with David, who's still in the Navy and probably will be for life. Businessmen slowly get stoned. Yes, they're sharing a drink they call loneliness, but it's better than drinking alone. Saturday, and the manager gives me a smile, 'cause he knows that it's me they've been coming to see, to forget about life for a while. And the piano, it sounds like a carnival, and the microphone smells like a beer, and they sit at the bar and put bread in my jar and say, man, what are you doing here? Oh, la la la, di-di-da, la la, di-di-da, da-da. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody, and you got us feeling all right.
The last one was very Red light danger.
Yes, so our song was red light spells danger. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Yes, Lacey. Yeah. Okay, so you're listening to Radio CAYB, and now we've got your interview for this week coming on. Yeah. This week is Mrs. Thomas from Kent Pedwar. Well, Mrs. C, sydd y ceir?
Dwi dda iawn, diolch, braf cwbod yma.
Okay, so our first question is, can you tell us a bit more about yourself, please?
Ooh. Dwi'n byw yn Llangefni, ac mae gen I gi o'r enw Sally Mally Moo, a mae'r plant I gyd yn gwybod am Sally Mally Moo. Dwi yn hoffi chwarae pêl-droed a dwi'n chwarae hoci hefyd.
Ooh, that's interesting, isn't it? Yeah. Isn't it, Lacey? Yeah. Okay, so what's the second question, Don?
How you balance training and matches for different sports?
Well, football and hockey are quite similar. So fitness-wise, I just do the same things for both sports. The skills side of it obviously is different because I have a stick with hockey and just kicking the ball with football. But where my fitness is concerned, I do a lot of running, do weight training, and lots of sprinting, and that helps me with my football and hockey.
Wow. Wow, that's good. Yes, go on.
Would you like to Okay, which instrument do you play?
Which
instruments do you play?
Oh, I can play the piano, sort of.
Yeah.
I'm not very, very good, but I do like to play the piano and sort of just fiddle about. I used to play the guitar just a tiny bit, 3 chords, but I haven't done that in ages now.
Did you have piano sessions?
Yeah, I used to have I had piano lessons until I did grade 5. But I haven't had lessons in years and years and years now, and I just play when I fancy playing. I've got a piano at home, and I just play some songs when I feel like it.
Okay, Lacey. Okay. Which instruments do you like to play?
Guitar.
Yeah. What else?
Microphone.
What do you do in school?
Drum.
Which lesson do you do in school?
Drum lessons.
Drum lessons. Which songs do you like playing on the drums?
Don't know.
Which song did you manage to play, Mrs. C?
Well, I wrote a few of my own songs, so I usually just play those because I'm not very good at reading music, so it's much easier to play your own things than read music for me. So that's what I like doing. I like making things up.
What do you do in school, Dawn? Which instrument do you play?
Drum lessons with Neo.
Yes, you do drum lessons, don't you, mate?
Yeah.
Have you learned the rhythm on the drum, Dawn?
One banana.
Yes. What about you, Kate? What do you like playing? From what I've heard, Kieran likes to play drums. Yes, go on. Yeah. He also does drum lessons with Neil. Okay. That means yes. He does. Yes, go on. Okay, so our next question for you is, how important is teamwork in football compared to hockey?
It's like I said, that both are very, very much alike. It's very much a team sport. Yeah. You support your teammates on and off the pitch. Make sure that you pass to your teammates and do everything's about the team and not the individual.
Yeah. So, who inspired you to play football?
I've always played football. When I was a little girl, I played football. I grew up playing football with my friends growing up. So when I was growing up, I just loved Kenny Dalglish.
Which do you like playing football, Lucy?
Mo Salah.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, Mo Salah. Yes, go on. Come on, United. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Rubbish!
Do you have any marathons?
Or do you run any? Yes, go on.
Do you run?
I've never run a whole marathon. I've done a half marathon. I run in the park run most Saturdays if I haven't got a match, so that's a 5k. But I'm signed up to run a 10k in Liverpool in September, so I'll be having to train for that during the summer holidays.
Well, that sounds good. Yes, go on. Yes, Lacey.
Yeah. Would you like to live abroad one day, Mrs. T?
No, I'm quite happy living on Anglesey. I just love my hometown. I love my island. But I always love going abroad, either on holiday or to play hockey. So, I go to tournaments abroad. But I love coming back home to Anglesey. And this is my home.
Okay.
And if you have to pick a country to go abroad to, which country would it be?
Oh, good question. Well, I think I'd always go back to New Zealand. I spent a month there, played in a tournament in the World Cup, and then I stayed there for another 2 weeks. Amazing country. I'd go back there to see the South Island.
Don, if you had to pick a country, to go abroad, which country would it be, go? Spain. Why would you pick Spain?
Go to the beach.
Nice. Which beach in Spain would you go to?
Don't know.
Okay, go on. Lacey, if you had to pick a country, which country would you like to go?
Colombia.
Colombia. Why would you go to Colombia?
I support Ruckus there. I wish she could come back one day.
Now then, if I had to pick a country, go on, I would go to Ireland.
Why? To get drunk at the pub?
No, just to go there for the day and have fun there. Yes, go on. What would Kieran's country be? And I've heard that Kieran over here likes to go to bowling.
What, to have a drink and have a pint?
No, not like that. No.
What you like doing in the spare time?
When I'm not playing hockey, I'm not playing football, I'm not running, I like to go to the sea and do some swimming in the sea in the Aberfrawr way.
What do you like doing in your spare time?
Listening to music.
Yes, go on. What music do you like listening to?
Ed Sheeran.
Nice, mate. And you also like calling Kieran as well with me, yes, go on.
Yeah.
We call every night, don't we, mate?
Yeah.
Don't we, Keith? What do you like doing in your spare time, Lacey?
Listening to music too.
What music do you like listening to, Lacey? Any, what genre? If you had to pick a genre, which genre would it be?
Pop, electronic,
You have to choose one.
electronic.
Electronic. Now, which music genre do you pick?
90s.
90s. 80s for me, go on. Which music genre do you pick, Mrs. T?
Oh, I quite like soul music.
Oh, soul.
Good to dance to.
Yeah.
And finally, Mrs. T, which song do you want to end the show with? It better not be Liverpool related.
Oh, there was me hoping again. You never walk alone there.
Oh.
Well, am I not allowed that one?
No.
No. Well, do you know what? Because every day in CAYB is so good and everyone is so happy, I'm going to ask for haircut 100, fantastic day.
Fantastic, that's it.
Okay, so we'd like to say thank you for Mrs. Thomas, King's Pedwar, in God's Diolch, Mrs. Thomas.
Oh, croeso, dwi wedi bod wrth y modd.
Diolch. I'd like to say thank you to Dawn as well.
Thank you.
And Lacey, Kieran for helping us. And we will see you next week for week 61. Say bye, Gil.
Bye.
And it's bye from me, Gil. And it's bye from Kieran.